Hi everyone, it is July 1st, 2022. Today is Canada Day and it's around 1:30 p.m. and we are here in Cabbagetown. I'm walking south on Parliament Street. We just passed Winchester Street and there's a special event going on where they're creating an outdoor patio space with grass and tree trunks. This is an event by the local business improvement area where, because the businesses had a downturn during the pandemic, this is a way to attract more visitors to the area and create some outdoor spaces where they can sit down and have a meal, spend some time with friends. Here's a big wooden table from a tree trunk. There's a chair. And here's some tables and chairs outside. Here's Souvlaki Express. This is a huge tree trunk. See if I can get a better view of what the inside looks like. There's some tree trunks here. Very interesting. It's nice to have all this green space here. Here's a look north on Parliament. You can see these different sections. If I can zoom in here. They've got a wide variety of different kinds of stuff here. There's Johnny G's fish and chips in the background. And we're now here at Carlton Street and Parliament Street, and this is where it ends. And there's Maya Bay. Very busy today on Canada Day.